I look gross. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Me is May. My name is Mia. If this is your first time here, welcome to my dirty lion's den. My happy place, my humble abode. It's like day 5, I think, of quarantine, and I have decided that it is time to do a deep cleanse in my room. You know, coronavirus. We're gonna do a deep cleanse. I'm gonna get rid of some clothes to like donate and stuff. Clean out my horrible closet. My room is so messy. I don't know why. It's really from filming yesterday. I got clothes everywhere, but we're about to get this room clean. Like, look. This is not okay. This is not okay. We are about to clean this room and this awful, oh my gosh, y'all. My closet is so bad. See, that's how you know, like, I'm really out here keeping it real with y'all, because I shouldn't be showing you how messy my room has gotten over the past couple of days. So I'm about to go through and clean it up really good, get rid of all this junk, and yeah, let's just get into it. You gonna help me clean?
Anything that marks the spot, maybe
you gonna help me?
that could be from the 80s after the I'll take the playground. And I'll take the handball court, and I'll babysit the bikes and Google cheap bus tickets.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
The cheese?
You're all crazy.
I know my TV is really loud, but we're finna get into this crazy closet. So I'm gonna make a pile to keep, to give away, and like what needs to go away for winter time. All right, here, excuse that. Here's my progress so far. I've got so much space. I got rid of so many shoes and empty shoe boxes. I don't know why I have so many of those, but we are making a lot of progress. This is my giveaway pile. Wow, that's a lot. And then I got to put all of this into my other bin. So I'm about to go get that bin. Honestly, I'm about to take a break and go get me some food and then come back, get all this stuff out. I forgot about this door. Oh my God, I got too much stuff. So I'm gonna go take a break, get me a little bite to eat, and then come back and kind of get rid of all this stuff. So we're making progress though. I'm really proud. High five. Okay. I'll have to get all of this out and put it in here, or make a pile of what I don't want, and then take all of this and put it in here. Here we go. Look at all these empty hangers. That means I get to go shopping. Yeah. Okay, so now since I have completely purged my closet, I already went through 4 of those drawers. The top 2 are the only ones that I needed to go through. One drawer is like underwear and stuff, and I didn't think that was appropriate. Even though you saw my bras hanging up, sorry about that. I actually did some laundry like yesterday. So I have 2 laundry bins full of clothes that I need to put away. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, let's do it. Let's do this. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did all of this in one day. I'm done. Okay, so I have completely decluttered and completely cleaned out, wiped out, sanitized my entire room, and it feels so good. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you want to see how I transform my room to look like it does now and what it looked like before, click this card right here and go check out that video. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below telling me what you're doing during this entire coronavirus quarantine situation. Okay, everybody be safe out there. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.